Let me spray the text down. I don't know who touched it.
Whoa, it's just hair.
Exactly, guys. I don't know who touched this box prior to it coming to my house. Besides the delivery guy, who else has been touching this box or whatever's in the box? So what we're doing is we're outside. Mailman brought the box. We're sitting outside. We did our opening it outside. And my daughter has the alcohol spray and she is spraying down everything. I'm the one touching the stuff. She's spraying down. When I'm done, I sanitize my hands. Now look, even the hair, I might have to spray some alcohol on the hair and let it air dry before I work with it because, you know, in this day and age, I don't want no koro business. So this hair is going to be alcohol down, sanitized down. But look at it. It is gorgeous. This is the wavy Bahama locks, the faux locks, and you get 30 strands. I am going to be showing you guys 2 hairstyles that I did with this thing. It is really, really nice. But I just wanted to show you, since the beauty supply stores are closed and we can't get no hair, the only way to get hair is from ordering online, you know. So I will be providing you guys a link for 10% off your first order on this hair on the video. So just look out for it. It's coming. It's dropping tomorrow. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you guys the video. All right.